Well, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got another radio from Jeff's collection. Jeff loans me these radios out of his collection so I can show it to you. And this particular one is a Channel Master AM radio model 6210A. It's AC and DC, 6 transistor, got a carrying handle. And there's a little bit of confusion back here on the DC. Here it says DC 6 volts, 4 pieces of C cell. And then you open it up. And down here, it says 4 pieces of A cell, which I think is what it is. And you have to have this little container that holds the 4 batteries, and then on the top it has a 9-volt type connector, which he doesn't have. So we're going to run it on AC, and the cover that goes down like this. Whoops. Yeah, like this. Yeah, I got to get it all lined up. There we go. Nope, I still didn't get it lined up. Get the flaps back. Okay, there we go. Now we got it. There we go. There we go. Like I say, it's AM only, so there's no telescopic antenna. And we're going to try it out right now. This is the on-off volume. And we turn it down, and I'll turn the dial all the way to the beginning. And now we'll turn it back up. Yeah.
These women are having totally medically unsafe.
All AM or medium wave radios have a ferrite built-in antenna, and they want it to be faced this the way I'm facing in now because the stations are that way, and it needs to be perpendicular. I may have to rebuild my office.
In the states that are trying to protect unborn life. So the reason that my name was mentioned, as well as other doctors with the Alliance in the last couple of years, where whether it was injuries to Embiid or not, they still allowing these dangerous drugs to be readily available.
Boy, it almost sounds like the same program is on 2 different stations.
Off to a terrific start. The 2-2. Swinging a hard roller toward shortstop on the backhand. To how they responded in the past, or there are other elements. Oh, right. Different places. That where
Picking up plenty of stations.
Trying to regulate.
There we go.
We're trying to control who can and who can't buy a gun.
At Simpson's mansion, while the police officers are searching around the area, they find another.
That's it. I just noticed there's a earphone jack right there. And I can see a nice carrying handle. Cute little radio. He got it off of eBay for $20. And I want to thank him for loaning it to me so I could show you. And I want to thank you for stopping by and watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.